In this video, I'll be revealing how much I made on my second month on the TikTok Creativity Program Beta as a monetized creator. If you didn't know, the TikTok Creativity Program Beta is a program where TikTok will pay you to create longer form content at least 1 minute long. I'm all about financial transparency, so I wanted to share with you guys the true amount that I've made so far. We'll go over the requirements to join the Creativity Program, how to join, and how much I've personally made in 2 months. So who is eligible to join the Creativity Program Beta? So if you look at this page here, you can see that TikTok actually lists who is eligible for the Creativity Program Beta. So let's take a look. So creators must meet the following criteria to join and collect rewards under the Creativity Program Beta. First, you must be based in one of the countries in which the beta program is available. Second, you must have a TikTok account in good standing, including adherence to the community guidelines in terms of service. Number 3, you have to have a personal account. Number 4, be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, post original content, which means you have to post your own content, post videos that are at least 1 minute long. This is really important. You must not tamper or attempt to tamper with the program, the reward system, or the recommendation system, must not create malicious software or modify code, must not make false statements, abusive content, and etc. So to be eligible, make sure all of these are in good standing before you move on. Now, how can you join the TikTok Creativity Program Beta? So here's how to join. Let's take a look at this page. So we're going to scroll down to how to join, and there's two options. If you're already enrolled in the Creator Fund, which is the older fund, you can switch it through these steps. Or if you're not currently enrolled and you're brand new, here's how to do it. Open the TikTok app and tap Profile, then tap the menu button and then Settings, tap Creator Tools and the Creativity Program, and you'll be notified whether your application was successful within 3 days after you applied. Now, the biggest question you're probably wondering is, how much did I make my second month on the TikTok Creativity Program Beta? Let's dive right in. So I'm on my own personal TikTok page, and you can see that I have around 21.5k followers, and all you have to do to join the program is click this hamburger menu at the very top right, like so. Click on Creator Tools, scroll all the way down to Creativity Program Beta, and once you get into this page, you're going to go through all the steps to sign up, and once you do, you'll see a dashboard like this, and you're going to click on all time, and you can see that all time I've made $124.31, but last month I've made approximately $42.63 from my video postings. So my performance of the last 30 days, I've made $27.81. My qualified views sits at 75.4k. My RPM is 36 cents. Now, what does this all mean? If you click here, you can see some more information. So estimated rewards is total number of eligible video rewards within the selected date. Qualified views are rewards are available to videos with at least 1,000 unique views. How views are calculated: watch time is at least 5 seconds. Views with dislikes are not considered. Multiple views with the same account are only counted as one unique view. Ads, paid promotions, and sponsored content do not qualify for rewards, and only views from the For You feed are considered. Now, what is RPM? RPM stands for revenue per milli, which pretty much is how much money you make per 1,000 views. So you can see the amount of rewards creators can receive for every 1,000 views. It may vary based on several factors such as region. And if you come down more, you can see the videos that made you the amount of money that you've made. So you can see my first video made me $26.92. My second video, $1.37. My third video, 53 cents. Now, honestly, I didn't make too much money on my second month monetized on TikTok, but I really wanted to share with you guys my true numbers just to be more financially transparent. Different people make different amounts, and I'm really hoping that my third month will be a lot better. If you post more content over a minute that qualifies, that means you make more money, and it's as simple as that. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul, and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of content, please smash that like button and subscribe for more future videos just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.